Aloha! Welcome to Mai's Table, where you find God in gourmet. My name is Miley Andrus-Price, also known as the Grateful Gourmet. I wanted to share with you how I keep my loved ones past close to me, or just my loved ones who are still living close to me. So starting with this apron, my sister made me this apron, and she doesn't know it, but when I'm missing her extra, I put this on when I cook so I can feel her energy, because her energy is still in this apron. And then these I have to show you close up because my grandma made these. I mean, this is so intricate and the work is so beautiful. And yes, they are worn, but there's still a lot of love in these hot pads. And so it's a way for me to remember her. And I've had lots of fond memories. She taught me how to cook, and so did my mom. And then this one my daughter made, I think she was in 3rd or 5th grade, and that's a way for me to keep her close. And this one, the cutting board, yeah, I use this every day. My grandpa made this, and my mom had it when I was growing up. So these 3 things could easily be over 100 years old. Think about that. So it's a way to keep love alive. I see cooking as a spiritual thing. It's a way to slow down a little bit and to be present and to connect with your loved ones and to God, if you so choose, or source, whatever you call that. And it's a way for me to enjoy things better. If this has helped you, please share it with a friend. Or if you have ways that you like to bring in loved ones or ways to make your cooking a special experience, I'd love to hear it. Because my goal is to have every recipe, I call it recipes with a message. So if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Till next time, aloha.